Hi, I'm Abby, and this is a quick look at how Cloud Code makes getting started with Secret Manager easy. Hard-coding sensitive configuration data, like database passwords and API keys, into strings is usually not a good idea for your codebase. Secret Manager securely stores this sensitive data in secrets, a project global object that's available to your application at build or runtime. Cloud Code makes it easy to replace sensitive data in your codebase with secrets that are stored securely on Google Cloud with Secret Manager. You can create and integrate secrets without leaving your IDE, no matter what type of application you're creating. Cloud Code is available for JetBrains IDEs, VS Code, and Cloud Shell Editor. I'm going to run this demo in PyCharm. When you run your service in one of our environments, we make it easy for you to add secrets, whether you're running it locally or remotely on Google Cloud. To start, I've created a Python Flask Cloud Run service with one of Cloud Code's samples. It's a simple Hello World example. I've enabled the Secret Manager API for my GCP project, added the Secret Manager library to my requirements.txt file, and coded up an extra function that returns the latest version value of a secret. All the Secret Manager actions happen in the Secret Manager panel. From here, you can view a project's existing secrets and create new secrets. To create a secret, click the Add button and provide a name and value. Now that my secret has been created, it shows up in the Secret Manager panel. To view the value of your secret version, go to the Version tab, right-click a version, and select View Secret Value. To access this secret's latest version value from my service, I'm going to replace this message with a call to the Access Secret Version function I added. In my Secret Manager panel, I can right-click a secret and get its secret ID, and then stick it in the parameters. Now it's time to see if this works. I'll run my service locally on Cloud Code's Cloud Run emulator. Check the link in the description with info on how to do this. Setup only takes a second. For local development, accessing this secret from Cloud Code's Cloud Run emulator automatically works. No need to worry about authentication. And there we have it, the contents of my secret. I can also create a new version of my secret by right-clicking it and selecting New Version. Since the function I added grabs the latest secret version by default, I can refresh my service and see my new secret value. That's a quick look at Cloud Code's Secret Manager support. If you have any questions or feature requests about Cloud Code, join our Slack channel.